Once all villagers gathered for praying for rain. Everyone gathered on the day of the prayer, but one boy came with an umbrella. That's faith. When we throw babies into air for playing, they will keep laughing because they know that we'll catch them again. That's trust. Today we are going to start our first week of practice for extempore. Trust your efforts and keep faith in yourself. Everything is going to come out good. Hello everyone, I am Ushakaran and welcome to C Cultivation. Let's go on deep. Let's. So let me brief you about extempore. Extempore simply means choosing a random topic and we have to speak upon it for 2 minutes without practice. So here we are gonna let us see how our extempore practice is going to be. We have to choose a topic and we have to I'll let you know what are the topics that we are going to choose in the few minutes, and we have to speak about the topic for 2 minutes, and the most important thing is we have to record either whether it is an audio or video. We have to record it for analyzing. So we have to replay the 2 minutes record, and we have to analyze it, and we have to list out our mistakes, and we have to correct them. That is the main part that we are going to do. And next, you shouldn't talk without so you shouldn't talk with practice. You just talk without practice. Just don't spend much time upon it. Just talk, take a random topic and talk without practice. So if you do without practice, then only you can list out your mistakes well. And the most important thing here is the known mistakes are like friends. They'll tell us where we are weak at, and they insist us to improve the areas so that we can grow ourselves. Next, how the practice in this channel is going to be. It is a weekly practice, and let me show you the schedule. It is 1 plus 5 plus 1. That means I have taken 1 week, 7 days, and we have to start on Sunday. We have to start and we have to choose what is the topic that we are going to practice, and we have to speak upon we have to speak for 2 minutes daily on that particular genre with choosing different topics for 5 days from Monday to Friday. And on Saturday, we'll call Saturday as an analyzing day. We have to analyze the whole set of 5 days, and we have to list out our improvements, list out our mistakes, and we can have a overall out for that week on Saturday, and we can close that genre on that day. And next week we can go for another genre. Next, we have to analyze and analyzing and knowing our flaws is the most important thing for the growth. That's why I've given one day, Saturday, for analyzing. So five days talk for a week is enough as of now. Then how this week is going to be, we are starting week 1, and let's start it easily. Let us take two small and simple topics for this week. Let us take a familiar things that you know and favorite things that you like. So familiar things, you all the things that you are familiar with, you don't need to recall much. You can talk easily when you take a familiar topic. You can talk easily, and you take a favorite topic, you will like it to talk. So both of these things will make you to talk easily. So in familiar topic, you can talk about yourself, you can talk about your home, that means your family. You can talk about your house, the building that you're living in, the things that you have in your house, or the things that you like in your house, something like that. Or you can talk about your school, or you can talk about your friends, or you can choose a favorite thing. That means you can talk about your favorite actor or favorite game or hobby or a movie or a favorite memory that you have in your past. So talking from the memory will not be that much difficult. And next, choosing an easy topic will make your work half of the work is done. After that, you just have to talk well. But before starting all of these, make sure where you are standing right now. List out your poor and good things about English speaking. To say about myself, I am good at narration. I am good at giving scripted speech. I can practice a speech well and I can deliver it so well. I like that quality in me. But in my poor areas, I'll stuck in my places. I'll find for the sorry, I stuck here also. So I'm poor at vocabulary. So I'll search for the words where it fits in the correct place in my speech. So I'll stuck at that place, and that is poor thing for me. And is overall speech structure is poor for me. I can't able to organize the whole speech and deliver it clearly. So that was the two things that I'm poor at. So the things that I'm good at are the narration and scripted speech, and the things that I'm poor at are vocabulary and overall speech structure. So list out your plus and negatives like this, and then you can understand where you are started, and after a few weeks you can analyze, you can compare that with this starting. Even if you don't know all this stuff, you can simply start talking, and after a few weeks you can get all this stuff. Just you have to know where you are starting. That's the most important point. And remember, just start, speak out. Don't think about any negative things. Don't shy or don't fear. If you start speaking, you can start speaking well after a few days. You can start speaking poorly but today, but you have to start speaking, then only you can speak well after a few days. If you don't start speaking, you may not improve yourself for years and years. If you start speaking minute things, you can improve yourself so well after many days. Sorry, after, if you practice daily, then you can improve yourself. So you have to improve yourself and you have to stand for yourself. Share this with others and motivate others. And most important thing, trust your efforts and keep faith in yourself and dive in. You can do it so well. We'll all do it together. And I'll catch you every day 6:30 p.m. and we'll have a good session every day. Thank you for watching. Thank you.